So I'm repairing this gate now. The bottom hinge out of there, a rotten way. This piece I've cut off. There's a hinge that came off, and a bit missing there. This used to go there. So I'll weld that back in, weld a mesh back to it, and I'll cut the hinge off this and weld it back. So just a quick little job. So try and line it up now with the old one, and this rod is sliding easy, so it's probably right. So that's it finished. Just needs a coat of paint now. At the same time, I've repaired wheelbarrow. That's gone a bit as well, but I don't have any pipe that size. I had some smaller pipe to fit in front there. So new front to that. Had a puncture and the rim was pretty rusty, so giving it a coat of paint now before sorting out. So not the best paint job, but it'll help it last a good few years again.
Great success!
So someone gave us this new wheelbarrow wheel that we didn't need, and it has a new tyre, new tube and all. But as you see, the bearing in the middle, the actual hole is a lot smaller than this shaft, and this plastic can't really weld it, so just transfer the tyre and tube to this. So that we have this, save buying one. It doesn't ring. So I've levered one side off. So we'll pull the tube out now. So took that out, just a case of levering this over now. Spoke too soon, reason the wheel was flat. Right near the valve there. So this is junk. So I've got the bolts, I've got the tyre, I've got the rim, but I don't have any tubes. Comment down below if you get that reference. So a bit of luck, there's actually a new tube here, so I'm sticking that in now. I have to carefully lever this sort of back on. I might try to just force it over because it's quite thin stuff. So I got him this far by just forcing it down. So I'll have to use a screwdriver carefully now just to get this last bit over. Have to watch it don't actually pinch or stick it through the tube there. And this is this job done with. Thank you for watching, and that's it from me for now then.